So here I am working away in the barn, and I've got a couple of surprise visitors turned up. My mate Robbie has turned up in his ambulance, and also Becky has graced us with her presence. And at the moment they're both in Robbie's van having a little bit of a chinwag. So let's go and interrupt them.
Where can you
How you going? Oh, Robbie.
Hello, welcome back. Okay, welcome to Robbie's van.
Yeah.
You going to show us around?
Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Give us a tour.
There's not a lot
You've
to look
got
at, but
to.
you can.
How long you had the van, Robbie?
Probably about 2.5 years now.
And you still haven't finished it?
It's nowhere near finished. No. As said earlier, the solar panels are on the roof. They've been on there nearly 2 years and they're still not even connected. But yeah, we're getting there slowly. Yeah, we've got the kitchen area with a 4-burner hob, and we've got put a fridge in. But these are obviously all the cabinets that were in the ambulance. They were over here originally. We've moved them over here to build the kitchen. Well made, I mean, you know what I mean. So
yeah, you might as well use them.
Yeah, and like all the cabinetry that's in here.
Oh yeah,
we thought we'd leave it all in because you know, by the time you strip it out and make your own, it's all.
And the nice thing is that they're all curved. So
Yeah,
you're not
yeah,
whack
they're all
your head on
aluminium,
them.
and obviously they all lock as well. So all these lock.
Whoa! Good job, it's plastic.
Shut that. Yeah,
And they're quite strong as well.
yeah. So they don't come flying open no matter what's in there. So
did you reposition them? Or
no, that was all in there as it is. All these cabinets were all down the sides. The only ones we moved were these. These were originally sat where this is, where the toilet and shower is going to be. So we just shifted them over to that side.
And I've noticed you've got a normal gas boiler inside.
Yes, that's something else I've got to sort of. I bought that when we bought the van.
Yeah.
And I've only actually just got it working.
Oh!
But for the first time.
Where does it vent out through the roof?
Well, we're going to put a vent through the roof.
Oh, so you haven't finished it yet?
So I haven't finished that yet, no.
That's
so
a great idea.
I've got to vent that through the roof, so we've got hot
plumbed
water.
it in properly as well, by the looks of it.
Nice.
Yes, sort of. Yeah, it's all plumbed in, but we won't show you the gas bottle. No. we keep that.
Keep that sorted. And Robbie was saying, about the solar not being wired in yet.
Yeah.
It's because the shower needs to be fitted, but until he wires the solar panels in, he's hoping to put it down in the corner, all the wiring.
Okay.
So it means the shower isn't started.
Can't go in until...
This is the shower compartment here. Obviously unfinished.
Shower. Toilet, as they call it.
Toilet.
Toilet and shower.
So you're going to run your cables through down here?
Yeah, I was going to run them down through the corner, down through that paneling, and then so that, because most of the electrics are all in the front.
It's official. It's a shoilet.
So I guess he really does need to get the solar connected before he can carry on.
So when do you reckon you'll be finished?
Never.
They're never finished.
I don't think you'll ever finish them, but
yeah.
No.
When will you be happy with it?
I'm happy with it as it is.
Okay, that's good.
But the wife would like a toilet and a shower.
Yeah.
Which would be nice.
Makes sense.
And is that a pull-out bed? Is that like an L-shaped sofa?
Yeah, this piece
pull-out bed
folds up. I mean, we could get rid of the cabinet. The idea was to get rid of the cabinets and then put a full-size bed.
Oh yeah,
in
side
there.
to side, yeah.
But then you lose all your cabinetry space and all that sort of stuff. And behind this one is a locker on the outside, and the same with that one is a locker on the outside.
So it's more hard work to remove all of that.
Yeah. But
no, I'm sure you can make it easier, definitely, because that seems a bit too much effort in my opinion.
Yeah, well, you fold that up, and then obviously that all pulls out, which is fine. But you've got to put those cushions somewhere. We normally just chuck them up the front, and then there's like a bit of a garage area under there, if you like, because the water tank is sat here under the bed, and there's like a garage area because obviously you carry loads of tools, and I carry far too many tools as usual.
You can never have too many tools.
Never have too many tools. No, that's what I say.
No, I mean when you pull the bed out, you could put the cushions down there on the floor underneath the bed, or not?
No, because I've got this panel.
That also comes.
Oh, that comes out as well.
So that comes out with it, see, it slides out.
Right.
Because I made it like the bed, like the one you done on your video with the the slats.
Yeah.
So that it all slides out, and then
that panel is the support.
It's the front. Yeah, it's the support. At the
So
front
it's all
of the
my
bed.
fault.
Yeah. It's your fault now. You made this
No,
bed
it's not your
wrong.
fault, Mel. No.
I don't know.
I'll just sleep in the tent.
Yeah.
In the front. We'll just sleep in the
To
tent.
sleep in the tent.
That's easy.
it.
Just fold that out, and it's already there.
Exactly. Yeah. Is it all right if you show us around the back?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Carry on.
Oh, yeah, that sounds. We love Robbie's colour as well. It's a beautiful, like bronze brown with the pulse decoration. Is that because you wanted to keep it with the
I wanted to
ambulance
keep
theme?
it as the ambulance, some sort of throwback to the fact that it's an ambulance.
Yeah.
So we thought we'd put a heartbeat sign on it.
Yeah.
But we actually named it Clarence.
Oh yeah. Oh, Clarence the ambulance. Yeah.
I'd like to say that it was all my own inspiration, but it isn't. It's all, a lot of it's Project Amber, which
Yes.
inspired me to do this,
Yes.
and
No, he's really great.
yeah, it was fantastic.
So do they swing all the way round, or do they open?
These doors
partially?
do, yeah.
Oh, they're big solid doors, aren't they?
Yeah.
Oh, I see what you mean with the tools. Lovely. Every man's dream.
Keep them in there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you've
so we got
storage.
plenty of storage space. There used to be
Yeah.
obviously a step here, same to the one that's round the side.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
And then we made the ladder. That's an old roofing ladder. We just
Oh, you just
bolt
bolted
that, and bolted it on, and cut the top and welded it over to make a ladder, a real ladder.
it. Clever. Yeah, who needs expensive ladders when you can do that? That's brilliant. And then you've got the two lockers on the side. That looks like it's open, is it?
See, we've got these side lockers, and there's nothing under here. The idea is to build a box
Oh
and
yeah.
then put the generator in there.
Yeah, so you can access it at any time. Do you find these lockers really useful? Or do you just tend to forget what you've got in there?
No, these are useful because it's just got the steps and some bits and pieces in it. But
Yeah,
yeah, unfortunately, as I say, they're not deep enough to put a
I guess.
gas bottle in.
So they're both similar in depth. Give it a good whack.
Yeah, and then obviously you still got all your under lockers here as well. One's got the diesel heater in it, which comes with the ambulance, and one's a storage unit anyway. So that's a good thing with an ambulance, as Project Amber says. When you buy them, they come with so much kit that you haven't got to look at putting doors in, windows,
you can
that sort
use
of thing,
it.
because it's all there, it's already fitted in. The roof tent on the top.
Had you already wanted to have a roof tent when you bought it?
Again, going back to Project Amber, he built a pod off the front of a Luton van, and he made it into a nest which you could come up through from inside.
Oh right, yeah.
But I just felt that it was going to be for my daughter, and I just felt if there was ever an incident or anything went wrong, could you get out of it quick enough?
Yes, yeah.
And I thought so. I scrapped that idea, although I bought the pod.
Oh right, okay.
And then I went to the Overland show and seen these roof tents and thought,
That was a
actually, if
better
I
way.
put a roof rack on the front, could I put a tent on the top? So
And then she obviously can get out through
she
the
can
ladder.
just get down through the ladder, so she can
Yeah.
get out just as easy as. And she's got her own bedroom, although she's 21 now and never comes away with us anymore.
You've still got it though. I think it's a great idea.
But we have slept up in there, and it's quite
Yeah.
nice.
How much weight can it take then? The frame?
Can take the weight of the tent and the weight of two people and a
That's
dog.
good. So it doesn't.
No,
sway
it
or move
doesn't.
or anything?
No, the frame doesn't flex.
Oh, that's awesome.
No, so it sits up there. Yeah.
It's just an extra space that you can go though, can't you? And I bet you get some beautiful views if you were up
It's
there
nice.
in the night.
It is nice. It's really warm and comfortable because it comes with a full memory foam mattress in it as well.
Oh, okay. So the
So-
whole base of it
Yeah,
is
yeah.
mattress.
So when you fold it out, it all comes out. It's all done,
That's amazing.
and it's really nice.
so it
Yeah.
comes as a complete kit, and you just attached it to the
Just
frame.
literally just bolt it to the rack on the top. Yeah.
Do you mind me asking what the price was of that?
I think it was about £1,000.
That's not bad. That's not bad. And then
Yeah.
obviously the framework you fabricated.
The framework is just a roof rack off a van and
Okay.
just bolted to the front. Yeah. It's just a roof rack off a van. And then we just bolted it in, made some brackets up and bolted it on.
So again, if you wanted to go away with some other people, they've got a sleeping space as well.
Yeah.
Come on, Mel, when are we going to go on a trip with Robbie? Should we go live up in
Gonna
there?
sleep in a tent.
We'll knock down when we want a coffee.
Or we could take our own van.
Or we can take our own.
Yeah,
van,
you've got a massive van, so you're okay, haven't you?
Yeah.
You've got enough room for everyone in that thing.
I think it's just the idea of having a tent as well. Everyone wants to live in a tent
Yeah, it's
for a
great.
bit, don't they? Yeah. It just gives you that complete off-grid feeling, doesn't it?
When the weather's nice, it's lovely. It's so nice out there. My
It'd be
biggest
dangerous.
fear was when I fitted it was obviously the draft, the air running through underneath
I would lift
to
it
a
up.
black air, to a dead end, if you like.
Yeah. would
When you're
cause-
driving along the road, is that going to try and lift that whole thing off the roof? And that was
Yeah.
always my fear when we first fitted it. And always used to drive with my head sort of out the window,
Just
seeing
check
if it
on
was
it.
still on there.
Yeah.
Like, you know.
Have we just lost it down
Yeah,
the motorway?
What was that noise? Because it's a Sprinter, you never know, all the noises
Yeah.
you get from it.
Yeah. But it's been alright, has it? It hasn't moved
Doesn't-
at all?
No, it doesn't move. So my engineering skills aren't too bad.
Yay! That's good.
So I think that's about it.
Yeah, I think so. It's an amazing van. Do you want an ambulance at one point?
No,
No? You
Nah.
happy?
I nearly bought a Vario ambulance, but it was just too much.
It was a jumbulance, wasn't
Jumbulance, yeah, it was huge.
Oh yes, I remember the photograph you showed
But
us.
we were the opposite opinion though with the lockers.
It's just too big.
It would have just not worked with the lockers.
And too much money as well.
Hey?
He wanted too much money for it as well.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah, it is even narrower.
Well, I've narrowed it down for the shower.
Hey, look! We've got our stickers on the wall, that's nice. A big thank you to Robbie for showing us his amazing ambulance today and for coming and visiting us here at the barn. Hopefully you had a good time with us.
Yes, absolutely brilliant. Thank you very much.
And I think we've known Robbie for about 2 years now, and each time we always try and see if we can catch up with him and your long lost friend Danny. Danny, wherever you are, it's because of you guys that saved Mel back in 2 years ago, wasn't it, when you were
Yeah.
at the Van Life show?
Saved me.
Mel was saved with these guys coming over and giving him some chips, and since then we've always been keeping in touch and seeing how he gets on with his van build. So fingers crossed, maybe next year he might have done the shower.
It might be finished.
Yeah.
No promises.
No promises.
Time will tell. We'll see.
Yeah.
Yeah, good to see you, buddy.
And you.
Should we go and get some lunch now?
Yeah, let's go
Yeah,
get
I'll
some
let you
lunch.
go
Yeah,
get
that
lunch.
sounds good.
Yeah,
We're
lunch
cold
is
and
good.
hungry.
I'm cold and hungry.